Hi everyone, today we'll discuss one more problem on sequences infinite series. What says? Test for the convergence of the series 1 by 2 into x plus 1 into 3, 2 into 4 x square plus 1 into 3 into 5 x cube divided by 2, 4, 6. The series is increasing. So whenever this type of the series are there 1, 2, 3 so on going on factorial, we are going by, we are applying uh, D'Alembert test. So first we have to find the UN. You see 1, 3, 5, so on it is going on. So Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 1, n minus 1. What is our D? D is 2. So 2n minus 1. So this is the simple one. 2 into 4, it is all even number. So our UN will become the given series 1 into 3 into 5 so on up to 2n minus 1 divided by 2 into 4 into 6 so on up to n x to the power of n. Now what the D'Alembert test says, D'Alembert or D'Alembert test says if sigma un is a positive term series, then limit n tends to infinity un by un plus 1 equal to L. If L is greater than 1, convergent. If L is less than 1, divergent. If L equal to 1, test fails. Now we have to go for Un plus 1. What is Un plus 1? The next term. 1, 3, 5, so on up to 2n. The next term will be 2n plus 1. X to the power of n plus 1. 2, 4, 6, so on up to 2n. The next term will be 2n plus 2. Okay. Now Un by Un plus 1. Un by Un plus. What is Un? 1, 3, 5, so on up to 2n minus 1 divided by 2, 4, 6, so on up to 2n into x to the power of n. Then Un plus 1. I am changing the color. Oh, no, let it be same. Un plus 1. What is Un plus 1? The numerator become denominator. Denominator become 2n into 2n plus 1 divided by 1, 3, 5, so on 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1. This is 1 by x to the power of n into x. Now let me change the color. You see this complete part gone. This complete part denominator, this complete part. This is x to the power of n, x to the power of n. So what is left for us? Un by un plus 1 is how much? This is 2n plus 2 by 2n plus 1 into 1 by x is left. So what I am doing is taking 2n common from the numerator. 1 plus 1 by n. Taking 2n from the denominator. 1 plus 1 by 2n. So un by un plus 1. Limit n tends to infinity. Apply the limit n tends to infinity. 2n to n getting. As n tends to infinity, 1 by n tends to 0. So therefore, it is 1 by x. 1 by x greater than 1. You see, 1 by x greater than 1. 1 by x greater than 1. Convergent. 1 by x less than 1. Divergent. X equal to 1. Test fail. What is the test? D'Alembert test. X equal to 1. D'Alembert test fails. So we can't leave this problem in between. X equal to 1 test fail. No. for long-term problem, you have to go for x equal to 1, what will happen? So x equal to 1. If I take x equal to 1, what is our un? What is our un? Un by un plus 1. Un by un plus 1. What is x equal to 1 if you take? This is 2n plus 2 by 2n plus 1. This is 2n plus 2 by 2n plus 1. You see here, please, we are applying Raabe test. So minus 1, minus 1. So denominator is 2n plus 1. So 2n plus 2 minus 2n minus 1. 2n 2n getting cancelled. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 2n plus 1. So un by un plus 1 minus 1. Multiplying by n both the sides. Multiplying by n both the sides. Now what I am doing is taking n common. So if I take n common from the numerator, this is n from denominator. If I take n common or 2n common, 1 plus 1 by 2n. So this n getting cancels. Now apply the limit n tends to infinity n into un by un plus 1 minus 1 equal to limit n tends to infinity. So this is n tends to infinity. This is n tends to infinity 1 by. This is as n tends to infinity 1 by n tends to 0. 1 by 2. So we get 1 by 1 by 2 less than 1 convergent by Raabe's test for when x equal to 1. Okay, that's it. So what we have done first, we don't have n term, we found the n first. Then we applied the D'Alembert test. With that, we got the answer, ambiguous answer, conditional answer. In x, 1 by x greater than 1 convergent, 1 by x less than 1 divergent, x equal to 1, test fail. You can't keep test fail. So where the test is failing, you have to apply the another test. Otherwise, your answer is not considered to be the complete answer in the exam. So for x equal to 1, we are testing for x equal to 1. When x equal to 1, you can, therefore, the series is convergent when x equal to 1 with this Raabe test. Okay? Whenever this type of long type of the problems come, you have to apply two tests. It will not come by only one test. Please do so. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends.